Hi, I'm Toby Shepard. I'm a hill climb racer on the Rimshaw circuit. Just want to talk to you about the BoonDocker weights. When they first came out, I tried a lot of weights, had a little bit of skepticism of whether they would perform better than what we have had in the past. Had the opportunity to go out and try them and test them with a lot of data points that I could compare. A couple points that I found that were significant were these were faster on the upshift, pulled harder on a hill with a significant grade. I saw higher track speeds than the best we've had in the past, and a lot of rippiness on the bottom. So they would backshift, have more track speed, and pull throughout the range of the weight. And that's why I'm going to choose to run BoonDocker weights in all of my race sleds, from stock sleds to mod sleds.